5x brighter than OEM light bulbs, built-in high-power SMD LED chips to maximize rear-end illumination. Fully plug-play. Simply remove the lens original T10 bulbs. Connect the plug. Done. Direct fit replacement, identical to OEM specification. No modification or trimming needed. Say approved. Certified. This assembly is 100% street legal. It meets all regulatory requirements in USA, Canada. Purchase with confidence, 90 days warranty to cover any defects damage during transit to ensure 100% satisfaction. In-house US tech support always ready to troubleshoot and help on any concern. Top reviews from the United States. Less than 10 minutes to install. They plugged right into the bulb socket as advertised. They do not come with screws, you reuse the ones you have. Keep in mind it's all plastic, easy to overdo it, and strip the hole out which you'd need the next size up in new screws to fix or new sockets. These are LEDs, not bulbs, and if they burn out you replace the entire unit. But if you like me have an old vehicle and the ones you have are discolored or foggy like headlights get. These are a perfect solution short of buying ones you have to rewire with. These are really bright. And tool me less than 10 minutes to install. I would buy another set just to have backup.